Hi there. This is Jerry Garrettson Tabia Law. I'm going to go ahead and read this. And the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good. I want to talk briefly about the different kinds of non-immigrant visas. So these are a bunch of different visas, but it includes the business visas. That's pretty common. In other words, non-immigrant visas are folks that are not looking to immigrate into this country, but they do want access. They want to be in the country for generally business, to work, or to go to school. Let me go ahead and read off some of these, and then I think a date in the future at some time we'll kind of do a deep dive on each one of these non-immigrant visas. Okay, so I'm reading now the book of Guide for Immigrant Advocates. This is by the Immigrant Legal Resource Center, ILRC. ILRC. Okay. First is A, which is diplomat. Those are not very common, obviously. It's more of a governmental scenario. B are temporary visas, like a business, B1. You see lots of B1s. So that's folks that are coming in here to do business and then go home. It's non-immigrant. In other words, they're not looking to become a citizen or become a permanent resident of this country. They're just looking to come here for a temporary period of time for a specific reason, whether it's a student visa or here diplomat or business. And then we'll read through the rest of these, but basically that's it. B1, you see a lot of those people coming here just to work. They got a job, stay there. It's in international company, say Germany, okay, and they live in the companies in Germany, right? But then there's a branch here in the United States, and for whatever reason they need to come out here and work at that office for a while. It's beneficial to the company, so they would ask for a B1. Usually I've rented it. Then you have the tourist, the B2. That's common also. So it's we're not going into detail today, but it would be more than just a typical passport, right? You're talking about a visa now, so you're looking for an extended stay generally. C, a continuous transit. D, alien crewmen. E, treaty, trader, and investors. F, student. See a lot of F visas. G, international organization representative. H, temporary workers and nurses. You'll see this is agricultural workers, H2A. A lot of these you'll see in California in the fields and the agricultural areas, and even construction. I, foreign media and press. J, exchange visitors. You'll see a lot. There's a good number of J's, J visas. So that's professors, scholars, researchers, specialists. K is fiance and spouse. L, corporate executive. M, vocational study. N, family members of special immigrants. O, extraordinary abilities in arts and sciences. P, entertainers, performers, and athletes. Q, international cultural exchange. R, member of religious or nonprofit organization. S, witness in a criminal investigation. NATO officials, employees. V, spouses and children of lawful permanent residents. T, victims of trafficking. U, victims of informant concerning certain crimes. Okay, I think that's it for today. And we'll at some time we'll go into more detail on those specific non-immigrant visas. Let me go ahead and read this and we'll be done. And the earth brought forth grass, and herb yielding seed after his kind, and the tree yielding fruit, whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.